Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. Today is our second day in Port Augusta, and really exciting morning this morning because the Pichi Richi half is being run. So we're here as the people are getting ready to do the the full marathon start. There's a half marathon which I'll be running in. That's the bus to take everyone there, but Kelly's going to drive me in this thing. So yeah, basically we're here to see the marathoners off before we head to the half marathon start. So yeah, good luck to everyone. Hope you guys enjoy the run. Now time to get over there and say g'day.
I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Going till there ain't nothing. Keep the flame on. Nothing. Keep the flame on. Nothing. Keep the flame. Keep the flame. Keep the flame on.
So it's pretty fresh, pretty cold this morning, and we are here at the half marathon start. If you look at that, the range is absolutely unreal. So not too nervous, but had a rough night, not feeling too well. So hopefully things don't go pear-shaped. Fingers crossed. It's so cool. Hey? Yeah, it's bloody freezing here. Woo! Can't even hold the camera steady.
We've been talking over something casual, and you got that wonder, supernatural. Breathe you in, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting forever for somebody like you. I'm falling underwater, no more light, can't get enough. Maybe we're too young to keep this right, don't change it up. We don't need to take this too far, we're feeling it right where we are. You got me underwater, I can't get enough. Where could this be going? I think you know. All your cards are showing from long ago. Breathe you in, hold it out, come around, and I know I'ma keep you in view. I've been waiting forever, there's nobody like you. I'm falling underwater, no more light, can't get enough. Maybe we're too young to keep this right, don't change it up. We don't need to take this too far, we're feeling it right where we are. You got me underwater, I can't get enough. color crayon. We were running through the fields, you had flowers in your hand. We were all chasing phantoms. Baby, you would hold them still and I'd grab on. Yeah, well, if you're scared of the dark, let the run down street lights be like stars. Swings in the park, and I'll swing with you.
Here at then. Fantastic to see so many people stay around afterwards and enjoy the hospitality and the camaraderie of the event.
Alright guys, just wanted to touch base and do a little bit of an outro because we are packing the car, getting ready to head back to Adelaide. Our time at Port Augusta has come to a close. And yeah, sadly I didn't film too much of myself or a bit of an outro after the race because it was a tough race, being mostly uphill for the first 10 Ks and then rolling down hills for the last 10 or 11 I guess, whatever it is. Made for a pretty hard run at the start, pretty fast finish. I was pretty spent. Loved the accommodation. We're staying at the Standpipe here. We also had a Q&A with Steve Moneghetti here at the Standpipe. So yeah, big thank you to them for putting that on. Big thank you to Steve for coming down and inspiring us all, because I got to run with Steve as well, and it's not every day you get to run with a former Olympian, a former world champion, someone that is one of Australia's best elite runners that we've ever produced, and he's just a great bloke as well. So big thank you to you, Steve. You really spurred me on. A 1:18 on this course for the half marathon is not an easy feat, and you helped me achieve that, so indebted to you. Hope everyone else that met you was equally as inspired as I was and understands that this is the best thing about running, is the fact that I got to share a course with someone like Steve and really push. And a lot of people would have shared some time with Steve over the weekend, and that is absolutely what running can do for you. The weather was perfect. I don't know how I get so lucky with the weather, but I do. So if I figured out the secret, I'll let you guys all know, but I think I'm just a really lucky guy, to be honest. Anyway guys, I do a lot of parkrun videos on this channel, but this was something a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it really gives you a reason to maybe come up next year and give Pichi Richi a go if you haven't done it before. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because every little bit helps me out, helps get this content out to other people. And there are a lot of people that I met this weekend that have seen my channel and were just eager to meet us. Yeah, and big thank you to Kelly. If she wasn't filming a lot of this stuff, this video wouldn't have been together. So I was able to put down my camera and just race today, and that wouldn't have happened without us. A big thank you to you as well, Kelly. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Use living if you're already dead. It's not worth saying if it's already said. Even if it all goes over your head, believe it if you want to. So keep your eyes on the road.
Wow. You don't get anybody for coffee games, world champions. You zoom out the world champions.
If you want to, sing it like ooh. If you want to.